I'm Alistair Ollaz, Sales Engineer for Ephesoft. I'm going to show you a quick demo, and it is a very quick demo, of Ephesoft, of how UiPath can interact directly with Ephesoft Transact and just process documents directly from UiPath without having to have the Ephesoft Transact user interface open. So we've got a robot that's been built here, and we've got a number of items that you can call directly from UiPath. There is a package that you can download that contains some of the Ephesoft functionality. So the Ephesoft UIPath.Ephesoft.Activities, and the main ones that I'm going to be looking at is looking at processing multi-page extraction. Now, what we have in the actual bot itself, there's only two places where we have to do the integration. One is where we're, let me just go back, on the main flow. Get this right. Where we need to connect to the Ephesoft system. So we just use the username, we have the username, password, and the path of where, or the URL for Transact. And then the other thing that we do is we have this item here, which is a multi-page extraction. So once we've connected to Transact, what it then does is it allows us to see all the different batch classes that we've got available in our system to be able to process. And in this one, I'm actually calling the invoices batch class. So what's going to happen is that the bot's going to ask the user to select a folder where some invoices are, and then from there it's going to call Transact, passing over those documents. Transact's going to pass it back the results, and then at the very end of the process, UiPath's going to load a user interface and populate the data into that system. So I have a folder, a folder here that's got a couple of invoices in here. So let me just go down to here. UiPath, I think it's in here. So I've got these two documents here. One is a Novotel bill, and another one is a AAA wholesalers. If you saw the other demo, the previous demo about how we can interact, it's the same two invoices that we've got there. So I like to keep things consistent. So let's see what happens here. So I'm going to run this robot, this bot, from within UiPath. It's brought up a screen where I need to go and select a couple of documents. So I'm just going to go to C drive. I'm just going to go down to UiPath, select that, and then what happens is the bot's going to send those two documents off to Transact. Transact's going to then return back the values, and then what you'll see is a user interface come up, and UiPath is going to populate that with data. Here we go. So it's done the first one, done the second one, and boom. That is it. So as I say, it was a very quick demo, but it's basically shown how UiPath, by calling the activities that are available to it within UiPath, that we've made available for Transact. The main ones that I've been using is the extract one, so it's been able to send the document off, classify it, and extract it. So as I made the point in the earlier demo, this is invoices that we're showing, but it could quite easily be any other type of document type, and we can pass it into any other of the batch classes that are available within Ephesoft Transact. So very quick demos, but very effective and very powerful in the fact that they show how Transact and UiPath can work together, processing documents and then feeding other applications with the data that's been extracted out and that's gone through the whole extraction and validation process within Transact. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much.